Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to achieve a soft glam makeup look using the Crayon case, the matte book palette. So when I think of soft glam, I think of a nice, beautiful, flawless base, which includes your foundation, your contour, your concealer, your setting powder. That's what I think a soft glam look kind of is, honestly, with a nice neutral eye, not too no shimmers, well, at least for me. Okay, when I think of soft glam, no shimmers unless it's on my nose, and that's my highlight. Okay. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and to see how I achieve this look, then just stay tuned. Alright guys, first things first, I'm taking my Pond's moisturizer, the one that's dry to very dry skin. And honestly, you guys, I have oily skin, but I ran out of the one that I normally use, which is the one with the pink top. So I'm just using this one, making it do what it do. Next, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. Putty Primer to prime my face. Honestly, you guys, I would compare this to the Tatcha Primer. And if you know the Tatcha Primer, it's $58 and this is only $8, and it works exactly the same. Next, I'm just taking some Fenty powder, and I'm applying this in every area that I get oily. So my chin, around my mouth, my nose, and around my eyebrows. And this step really works when wanting to have a long-lasting foundation look. Next, I'm using my Maybelline Super Stay Stick Foundation. So I normally mix my foundations. I feel like this one just doesn't give me the full coverage that I want to go for. So I am applying my Juvia's Place foundation as well, just to get a more full coverage look. And we're just going to apply it. And apply some more. And some more. And some more. Next, I'm taking my Sonic Catching sponge that I picked up from Target to blend my foundation in. And being that I have on this jacket, normally I would drag my foundation all the way down to my neck so everything blends in all together. But being that I have a jacket on, you can't see my neck, I'm not going to do it in this video. So just blend, blend, blend. Take your time, blend. Next, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution concealer. And I like to highlight. I like not too bright, but I just like to highlight. So I'm going to apply that on my chin, my Cupid's bow, down the bridge of my nose, and under my eyes, like so. And also, you guys, I picked up this concealer from Ulta, and it is like one of my favorite concealers. So now I'm just taking my sponge again and just blending that all out. And you also want to take your time when blending your concealer, because you never want to see where it starts and where it ends. You want it to all make sense. So I'm just speeding through this. But yeah, just please make sure you take your time when blending out your concealer. Now, I wanted a more highlighted look, so I'm taking my Milani concealer and I'm just putting that in the corner and I'm blending it out like so. Blend, blend, blend. Next, I'm also taking, again, my Fenty setting powder, and I'm not pressing it into my skin, but more so placing it on all the spots that I highlighted. So my chin, Cupid's bow, under my eye, the bridge of my nose, and on the sides of my nose, to give my nose a more contoured look. This part is like so tedious. Now I'm looking at myself like, okay, girl, I think that's enough powder. A little water never hurt anybody, right? Next, I'm taking my Anastasia bronzer to contour my nose. And I like to start at the beginning of my brow and just drag it all the way down. And I do that because I feel like it gives me a more softer contour and it's not so harsh looking. So I'm going to do it the same on the other side. Just drag it down. And honestly, this is one of my favorite parts of doing my face, my contour, my nose. Now I'm just going to take my Fenty powder and make sure the edges are really sharp and crisp. Now I'm taking that same Anastasia bronzer to contour my cheeks, contour my face, make me look snatched and snizzled, okay? So we're just contouring our face. Now I am priming my eyes with the Makeup Revolution. I think it's the Cut Crease Canvas. And then I'm just going to blend that out. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is key, guys. Trust me. Blending is your best friend. If you're not blending enough, your makeup's not going to come out right. Trust me. Now, the star of the show, the Crayon Case Matte Book Palette. I'm going to be taking that shade right there. I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid like so. And the same with blending. It's very important you're blending and taking your time when doing your eyeshadow. So everything just looks soft. You don't want a harsh color and the next color and the next color. You really want to take your time and blend that color out. Blow it out. So that's what I'm doing here, and just blowing it all the way out. Now I'm doing the same on the other side, like so. Blowing it out, blending it out, boom, 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 razzle, dazzle, dazzle. So next I'm going to be taking this second shade, and I'm going to be focusing this right in the crease. Now I'm going to do the same on the other side, focusing that shade in my crease. Next, I am taking this darker shade, and I'm going to apply this on the outer portion of my eye, also blending that into the crease as well. Now I'm doing the same on this side. So honestly, the same thing I'm doing on one side, I'm just doing to the next side. Now I am cutting, okay? Cutting my crease for the dear heavenly gods using my cut crease concealer from Makeup Revolution and some other random concealer I just picked up, and I just mixed those two together. But it's also important that you're taking your time when cutting your crease. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just checking myself out. Honestly, this is another one of my favorite parts. I love cutting my crease. Love it. Next, I am taking that darker shade again, And I'm going to apply it and focus it more so on the inner portion of my eye and blend it into that cut crease. Now I'm taking this lighter shade and I'm going to apply this all over my lid where I applied the cut crease concealer. And you're going to see me going back and forth, honestly, with the colors, blending, making sure everything looks put together, no harsh lines, and I'm just doing the same thing on the other side. So next I'm just taking this darker shade and I'm going to create a wing without winging it out, if that makes sense. Sometimes with a liquid eyeliner, it can give you a harsh look. And I'm not really going for that look, more so, you know, really kind of natural, but not natural glam, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to smudge that out on my lash line, like so. Next, I'm going to be taking my Mario Badescu spray and I'm going to spray my sponge and press the product into my skin, okay? You really want to press it and lock it in there. Not wipe, not, no. You want to press it into your skin. Now I'm taking that first shade that I used and I'm going to smoke that under my lash line, blend it to the crease or blend it to the corners of the eyeshadow. Next, I'm taking my Maybelline mascara and I'm applying mascara. And I feel like, honestly, mascara brings the whole look together. I love applying mascara on my bottom lashes. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, applying some mascara. Next, I'm taking my Black Radiance blush and applying that on the apples of my cheeks like so. Picking up my brush, spraying it with some more Mario Badescu spray, and applying highlight on the tip of my nose. Whoa. Next, we are applying some lashes. I ordered these off Amazon. I'll have to link them below. Honestly, they're my favorite lashes. So here I'm just applying my lashes. And I really feel like on camera I make it seem like it's easy putting on lashes, but when I first started, you guys, man, my lashes were falling off. But yeah, I can kind of put lashes on in my sleep, honestly. Now we're just going to press them together like so. We're going to do the same on the other side. And lashes make the look all come together. Next, I am taking this brown lip pencil that I picked up from the beauty supply store, and I'm outlining my lips. Also, I have a video on how to achieve my everyday nude lip combo for women of color. So don't forget to check that video out as well. And I'm like a perfectionist when it comes to outlining my lips. Like, they have to look right every time. If not, either we're starting over Or we're starting over. Wow. I'm really taking forever to do this. Now I'm drawing my lovely 4 lines. I'm going to press that in. Now I'm taking my Maybelline matte lipstick and I'm applying that all over my lips. And I'm just going to smudge out the edges, the corners, and make sure everything is blended in. And there I go, you guys, again with blending, okay? Blending is your best friend when it comes to makeup, okay? Your best friend. Now I'm just checking out my lips. Then we're applying, okay, my favorite lip gloss from the beauty supply store, okay? You guys have to try it. You have to get it. And I literally just drench my lips with lip gloss. Yes, honey. Ooh, yes. Yes. So let me do my hair off camera and I'll be right back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial on achieving this soft glam using the one and only Crayon Case Matte Book Palette. Okay. So if you guys like this look, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.